Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to Gmail service. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, through the Gmail service you can send emails with each new contact from Google Contacts. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Next, select an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage you need to connect your Google account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. At this stage, be sure to provide all permissions. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your Google Contacts. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Contacts data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Select the system Gmail. Then select the action, Send Email. At this stage you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to check all access boxes. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you see Gmail fields for sending emails. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. If you want to send emails to each new Google contact, then in the To Email field you need to specify a variable with his email. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you want to send an email to yourself when Google Contacts appears, then in the To Email field you can specify a personal email by entering it manually. You can fill the subject and body fields with a variable from the drop-down list. To go to a new line, press Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage you see an example of the data that will be sent to the specified email with each new Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. After successful sending, go to Gmail and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Gmail as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.